Take one, action! Test! 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 Sometimes you just gotta wing it.
And sometimes you do have to prepare.
Wing it.
These are homemade, so not all of them are perfectly round, or they may not all be the exact same size.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next ingredient we are going to chop is the cilantro. So the next ingredient we have is the cilantro. So in order to chop the cilantro, we are going to, first of all,
So what are we making today, Nikki?
you don't have to say my name. I have some thyme here, and insert thyme joke.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Just bump up your...
Where are we bump it? Gotta bump it up, bump.
So we're...
Inflated then deflated. I don't know. I don't have any jokes.
Well, you could say it, but...
I'm not funny.
Cut me off.
I just wish I was as funny as Trey Kennedy.
Honey, that looks so good.
Honey, thank you. Heat up in the microwave. Maybe a minute 30 if you're being generous, depending on your microwave. Oven times may vary. Check your average for that as well. Okay, I messed it up. Okay.
Is to sprinkle them with powdered sugar.
Amen. Let's go.
But it's a very important ingredient.
I was just doing this with my nose, so can we redo that?
Which part?
Like this.
No, I know.
Just say it wasn't.
part, though?
Just say it wasn't on the. Just say it wasn't on the mise en place.
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire.
I still don't know how to say it.
Worcestershire
properly.
sauce. Well, how do I do it?
Yeah.
The correct way to hold it is like this, apparently, and not like this. Everyone's learning something today.
Too silly cause they make back a valley. Jay's so excited you can find them little buddy. I'm not Nick Cannon but I'm wildin' out clubbing. Watching everybody talking while I'm vibing something bubbly. Something bubbly. I'm trying to do it big. The boy from the A. I'm trying to represent. The haters in my way. Knock them all up like some pig. When I drop.
I'm not my girlfriend. And I'm my girlfriend. Sometimes the lime fibers will get caught in there. It's just extra fiber for your drink. You didn't know this was going to be healthy.
Hi, puppy. You want a carrot? He's a little camera shy. Stand like that because I'm going to start talking. So we added our quinoa to the pan.
You see how I'm standing? I can't believe you even went for it.
I don't...
Honey, does this count as moving the onions? A couple squeezes of lime for my main squeeze. So you can have more than just a broom in your kitchen. You can have nature's broom inside you as well. Get Lily! Get Lily! Get Lily! Get Lily! Mwah.
Be doing mostly a... Wait, we could...
I hit my ring.
I'm aware. Nut balls. Those make about 20 balls. And... No, I don't want to say balls. So the date
You'll
nut...
notice that you'll always want to have an even number of balls.
Oh my gosh. So to start off with the date nut. I hate saying balls every time. For the date nut recipe, it makes about 20 balls. I can't do this.
We're just. I feel like we're just stuck in a pendulum in the ending, and we don't know how to end it. We just need to end it.
Okay. Thanks again.